All right, guys, we are here today with another box, but before we open this box, I'm gonna tell you something very exciting. Daniel, we have a skate camp and it's going on now. Summer and winter breaks, there's various times when we do these. Pretty much any time we can fit kids into the Braille house, we do it. We do a skate camp. Tons of kids are learning how to skate using this. You guys can sign up. Link will be in the description below, and we have some various scholarship programs that are going on as well. You can also check those out. Links in that description below. So I will see you at skate camp. Here we go. I'm gonna open this box and we're gonna see what's inside.
I don't know why I got
Hey,
so
Aaron,
scared.
you remember that text I sent to the group chat last night?
No? So last night Gabe sends a text to the group chat that I don't remember, and it says, wear underwear that is very supportive. And I said, I will be there tomorrow, commando. We don't know why.
I know why.
And then Gabe said, have an open mind. Separate video, separate video, separate video, separate video. Together video.
It's a calendar.
Only for the bravest of the brave, not it.
This is why you guys need the supportive pants. Oh,
Shorts?
yeah.
Shorts?
Swim trunks? We going swimming?
But you can't wear them over the pants.
These are just shorts.
Why are there so many?
Everyone put a pair on.
Lime green! There we go.
They're just shorts.
I have a feeling there's like a huge kicker to this.
Just read the note.
Oh God.
Read the note? Yes, there is a note. Braille, thanks for all the fun content. This is all stuff I found while at the thrift store shopping.
Oh, God.
Enjoy making as many videos as you want to out of the double lazy Susan. What does that mean, double lazy Susan? Fetty?
What that is?
The trainer deck and all the toys. The gold package needs some other supplies before it's YouTube ready.
Oops.
Twitch, Truman Fu. YouTube, Truman Talks Treasure. All right, go to Truman Talks Treasure and see him make this, because we're gonna skate this. This isn't so bad.
What are you talking about?
It's so bad. This is like a real thing. Alter skate.
Dude,
This is awesome. So this is the double lazy Susan.
You know, the box isn't done yet, my friend.
Oh no.
Look, it's
burrito.
it's a sandwich.
Everything is a sandwich.
Little glow-in-the-dark scorpions, aliens,
Top part is
spider. Oh, I definitely need to take
I
this.
want
This is gonna get my wife
gonna scare
real-
Danny with that?
Oh my
Is
that
gosh,
Kobe?
Yes, I am.
It is Kobe.
And this one.
Oh, I get that.
This is the SWAT unit. If SWAT rolls up and this, you're done, son.
All right, let's go.
You broke it. Already broke it.
Oh no. It was actually just a frog. Literally a frog. Kickflip off. Oh. Slow. Too fast. Slower. Just kidding, go fast. There's no. Kickflip off. I think we can do that. Look at those trucks. They're the weirdest trucks I've ever seen. Who made this and who did anything on this?
I'll show you guys something sick. Yeah, I got the closest.
Oh. Oh.
It's impossible.
And screws.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yes. Don't spin wheels.
What? What? No.
Yeah. Now what? Hey, shh, shh, nope, don't. Get that bike out of the way.
It's not in the way.
Yeah, the bike was in the way. What? First person to ride down the bank wins.
Oh no.
Oh, if you're going single dead row, you gotta go double dead row.
Hey, that's close enough.
All right. Got him.
That's a hard one.
Carlos Litos for the win!
Right to the 5. Just get the shot.
Yeah. Looks like all the other shots down this set of stairs.
Here we have a wild specimen, backslide 180 the 5-stair, here at the Braille house. That was my best Australian.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
You didn't sound English.
Crikey, that was a whopper. Just a whopper of a sandwich. Carlos for backside 360 first try. Go get me that Australian book of phrases, please. The board doesn't even roll straight. How he even goes off the 5 is beyond me. It's a spectacle of the imagination. Aussie slang. Is this, for Australians, is this like blasphemy?
Nah, some of them are actually okay.
Don't be a gala, this one's a perla.
Maybe a galah.
Don't be a gala, this one's a perla. Would anyone say that?
In the country, probably.
Okay. Larrikin, a wild, unruly, or an undisciplined person.
Perfect.
If you land it right here, I'll buy you a new pair of gym jams.
You sound like a discount Captain Jack Sparrow.
He was in like Flynn. Don't go into smoke, we need you, mate.
I don't know what accent that's turned into. I don't know where you're from.
Goog. An egg.
Yo, you gotta stop. Goog.
I got a suggestion for you right here. You're only 18 bob in the pound. I thought he had that, then I realized he was a Druva's dog.
What does that mean?
A person of no importance or interest.
Oh, that's mean.
I know.
An Irishman had a baby with a pirate, and that's what Aaron is.
Yeah, it's almost Irish.
Say one for me.
Oh, dingbat. Yeah.
Dingbat, yeah.
You're a dingbat, mate.
He's a dingbat, mate. Is that better?
Yeah.
You're offending so many people right now.
I'm sorry.
All of
I'm
Australia is
practicing.
just
It's
like-
Aussie slang. That was a curly one. I nailed that accent. I'm not trying to be mean to Australians at all.
It's a hard accent, too.
It's a hard accent.
It's a hard
do.
accent.
Aussie slang.
No.
No,
No, we're
thanks.
good.
That was really good. We did really good.
You can do it.
The Collins Street Farmer. It's also in New South Wales a Pitt Street Farmer, an urban resident, usually one in a lucrative profession, who owns a farm chiefly or wholly to lessen his or her income tax bill. Fit as a Mali bull. It means very fit or in robust health. Carlos should change his career to a truckie. It's a long distance driver, they just drive trucks. Truckie.
What do you call truck drivers here?
Truck drivers.
Oh.
Up a gum tree. Carlos, you certainly are the Ridgy Didge. He's like really getting into this.
Yeah.
Oh, let me get one. Ding. Give me an Inda, you bushy. Butchers. If you get me a lollywater in the video.
I'll go get one.
Aussie slang. All right, guys. Thank you to all the Australians who watch our videos. We love you, and we just want to give a big shout out to you guys because you gave us Daniel. Like, really. It was his birthday a couple days ago, so if you guys could go to his Instagram and follow. Whoop, whoop. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had fun making it. We're sorry we couldn't do more tricks. It was literally the hardest board ever that ever existed, ever rowing. So click right here to watch all of the other videos. There's a lot of other videos because we've made over 3,000 videos. You guys realize that?
Just a couple.
More than 3.3 million people have now subscribed, so thank you so much. You guys are unbelievably incredible. Click right here to learn how to skateboard. So if all 3.3 million people learn how to skateboard, you guys would be beyond incredibly the best organization on the whole planet of all of the Earths, which of with there's just one because I pluralized that.
Yeah, there might be another one. Who knows?
Yeah. I don't know what Rowan is talking about in the multiverse. But if you could please subscribe, like, and leave that comment below, we will show you another video because we make them every day on 2 different channels, Braille Army and this channel right here. You could go to subscribe to Braille Army. We also have like many other channels that are translated into many languages. We're kind of doing a lot of things. There's a Spanish channel of which Mario runs. There's an Italian channel. There's a Czechoslovakian channel. Yeah, you didn't know about that.
I did.
You've been watching it. And what else do we got?
There's a French
We got a
one?
Russian channel.
The French one, right?
French channel. Like if you can't learn to skate at this point, we've already translated every tutorial into literally every language of Earth. We're also doing the Braille University, of which that's going well. The name of the company is Braille. We have a blind skateboarder coming soon, fully blind.
really?
He has a stick. I'm gonna get a stick and I'm gonna play a blindfolded game of skate. You guys will like that video.
Sounds really dangerous.
That's coming up. And then we got a, what do we got? Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 is the most comprehensive how to skateboard video ever made.
You won't be disappointed.
You won't be disappointed if you get it.
And we got some more bike videos coming up
We
soon.
got some more tricycle videos. I don't know, we're like a skateboard channel, but for some reason we do these tricycle videos. I don't know if you guys saw our videos with Zexy Zek. That was really sick. And I guess the only thing left to say
Or
is
you can
like,
follow me on Instagram.
you follow Gabe at GabeCruz01 because at Gabe Cruz was already taken. Although the person has no followers, it's really upsetting to Gabe.
I can't believe you remember that.
Yeah, I know everything. Yeah, then also Carlos. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We have a really exciting thing coming up, but it's like super secret, so secret. Braille Army, you're gonna love it. You're gonna be doing a lot of cool things.
If you see us at
guys.
VidCon, come say hi.
We're gonna be at VidCon. This video probably already went up. Probably already we're at VidCon. But if you're at VidCon when we're at VidCon, come say hi because we'll be there. I'd like to thank my mom. She lives in Montana, and my dad's doing well too.
Thanks to my mom for sending that book.
Yeah, big thanks to Daniel's mom. She is in Australia. Literally an Australian sent us this, so if any Australians get upset, it's kind of like, you know,
An Australian wrote this. So.
kind of narky.
Daniel, did you like the Rice Krispie treats I made?
Oh,
Gabe made Rice Krispie treats. I don't know if he's not really like a cook or a chef or
You
anything.
should try one.
I'd like to
sometime.
try one, but I'm pretty sure he poisoned them to get
Well, they
us
both
all
ate some and they survived.
I'm about to go eat some more.
survive. Is that what you're calling it?
All right, go ahead, Carlos. He's literally no.
One last thing.
The best part is that he was preparing for that.
try!
He was preparing for that just like this for a good 2 minutes, and then he finally went like this, and then by the time we were done, he was sitting down, fully waiting for the cue to go.
First try?